Good day, dear students. Today we are moving to our next module, that is product. So in previous module we were studying about marketing, market segmentation, how can we target a market, how should we find position in the market like that, and also consumer behavior. And in this module we will be completely studying about the product. What is product? Then what do you mean by product in concept of market, like that. Types of products and all we will be seeing here. So first we should know what is product or what do you mean by product in marketing. So each concept will be having its own meaning in its own context. So what is product in marketing? So product is something that is manufactured for sale in the market. So whatever a manufacturer has manufactured for selling in market, that is called as product. And customer needs are met by the usage of these products. So whatever things manufactures, those things or those items are consumed or used by the customer and they become as consumers of that particular product so that they can satisfy their needs. So a product is the item offered for sale, and a product can be service or an item, and it can be in physical form, virtual or cyber form. So in any form we can have. That's why we say that tourism is a product. That is anything which satisfies the needs and wants of consumer, that is called as product. So product is one of the main component of marketing, and all marketing activities revolve around the product. Without a product, a seller cannot sell, a buyer cannot satisfy their needs, or buyer cannot buy anything. So a concept marketing or market is always surrounded by, or it is always revolved around the product. And product can be tangible or intangible. Tangible products are known as goods, and while intangible products are known as services. So tourism is an intangible product. So now I think what do you mean by product? It is clear to you. Product means it is something which satisfies the needs and wants of consumer, and also it is manufactured by the manufacturer. And the term product can be understood in narrow sense and in broader sense or in wider concept. In narrow sense, it is a set of tangible, physical and chemical attributes which assemble in an identifiable and readily recognizable form. That is, when we move to a market, there many products will be available in the physical sense or in a recognizable form, and those are product in narrow sense. But in broader sense, product means everything. It can be, it separates from the brand. It can, whatever we see, all can be treated as, or all can be taken as a product. It may be a good idea, then a method, information, object, service, or anything which is under process and which serves the needs of the consumer. So anything what satisfies the needs of consumer is called as product in a broader sense. And it is usually a bundle of tangible or intangible attributes that a seller offers to the buyer. So how the intangible attributes means anything related with your tourism industry. Anything. If we are moving if we are going planning to have a tour, there we met a travel agency, or we will be meeting a tour operator, and they will be providing a service. That is a tourism product, or that is a product. So anything which satisfies the needs of the consumer can be treated as a product in the broader sense. Now we are moving with the definition. So we have seen that whatever a seller sells and whatever the buyer buys to satisfy their needs, that is a product. So a product can be anything. It can be physical product, fan, cycle, book, pencil, eraser, anything. Service, haircut, that is what we get as service, parlor service as. Then when we have property deeds, when we have certain professional services. Then place, destinations, tourism destinations. Then persons means certain professionals or certain people who give products. Then organizations, certain orphanages or certain private firms, anything, not only private firms, public firms, anything. Then idea, family planning, safe driving. Then certain products which give an idea or which motivates people to know about something. All those comes as product. Now we are moving with definition, that is according to Alderson, a product is a bundle of utilities consisting of various products, features and accompanying services. And another definition by Philip Kotler, a product is anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use or consumption that might satisfy a want or need. It includes physical objects, services, persons, places, organization and ideas. So it is better to study second definition, so that everything is included in that. So that is with meaning and definition of product. Next we are moving to another topic, that is features of a product. Features of a product. First one is tangibility. A product can be in a tangible form. That is, usually products are tangible in nature. Customers can touch, see or feel a product, and it can be anything which we can see or which we can feel. So for example, we can have car, book, laptop, then we can have any thing which can be seen or touched. Second one is, in it may be intangible attributes. Certain intangible attributes also constitute product. So service products are intangible in nature. So for that you can have tourism sectors, then consultancies, banking, insurance, then what we get as transportation, restaurants. All those comes in both tangible and intangible. If it is intangible only, it can be in consultancy agencies, then banking, insurance, then teaching, anything, all comes as services. Then if it is a combination of a tangible and intangible, means if we can see as transportation, there we have a vehicle and service. Restaurant, we have food and place to sit. But when we talk about its free service provided by the dealer, then the product is not only a tangible item, but it is also an intangible product. And third one is, it is an associated attributes. What do you mean by associated attributes? Associated attributes means some associated attributes which is associated with product. Maybe it's brand, packaging, warranty, guarantee, after sale services, etc. All those will be associated with a product. Then there will be an exchange value. That is, whether it is a tangible or intangible product, there will be an agreed price between buyer and seller. Then last one is customer satisfaction. That is, whether it is a service or whether it is a product, or if that is whether it is a tangible or intangible product. After consuming that particular product, the customer should satisfy their needs. So a product satisfies the customer needs and wants, and value of product is also determined by the level of satisfaction given by the product after purchase. So these are the features of a product. So if something is consists of all these features, then that is a product. Next we are moving to characteristics of product. So characteristics of product means it is a single commodity or service. It may be a group of commodity or services, and product may be combination of service and several products. So we cannot say it should be single. It should be combined for anything. It may be anything, maybe group or single. Then it means it is determined by the needs and desires of the consumer. എന്താണോ കൺസ്യൂമറിന്റെ നീഡ്സും വാണ്ട്സും അത് സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിലായിരിക്കണം പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്. So the purpose of product is to satisfy some needs of consumers, and the buyer purchase problem to solve their that is it. We purchase a product or consumer purchase a product to have a problem solving technique as a problem solving technique. Some needs have, so to satisfy that problem we purchase a product. And it may be durable, such as those are expected to deliver a stream of satisfaction over a period of time. Certain products are purchased for long-term use. Then products may be luxuries which might be needed as a symbol of prestige and status, and also certain products which satisfy necessities. And it may be agriculture, mineral, forest, or semi-manufactured or manufactured product. Anything constitute a product. So these are the characteristics of product. So this is this video consists of an introduction to product. What I mean by product, its definition, features and characteristics. Next video will be moving with in depth about the product. So watch this, study the concept and make sure that it is thorough with it. Thank you.